Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix slow 45 watts charging on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. First of all, sure that you are using official 45 or higher XIAOMI charger that came with the device, and you are using original cable. Cable must support high-speed charging. Also, avoid USB hubs PC ports. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet, not to USB port or something like that. Also, show that your port isn't damaged and doesn't have any dust or sand on it. Check temperature of your device too. If your device overheated or too cold, that might be issue. If this wasn't your problem, try to reload or reboot your device. Also, you can try to check the updates on it. Pause there. No updates available. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Press like button below the video. Goodbye.